Dear students, we are starting with fourth colligative property, osmotic pressure. Before starting the colligative property osmotic pressure, let us understand what osmosis is. The phenomena of osmosis. Osmosis is the phenomena of flow of solvent through semi-permeable membrane from the pure solvent to the solution. Now understand again, osmosis is the phenomena of flow of solvent through semi-permeable membrane from the pure solvent to the solution is called osmosis. Now the question arises, what is the difference between osmosis and diffusion? Now, osmosis is the phenomena of flow of solvent through semi-permeable membrane from the pure solvent to the solution. Diffusion, in case of diffusion, no semi-permeable membrane is needed. Second, the osmosis involves the movement of solvent molecules only. Movement of solvent molecules only. In this case, both solute and the solvent can move. Third one, in case of the osmosis, the solvent molecules move. Solvent molecules move from a region of low concentration of solution into a region of higher concentrations. In case of the diffusion, the molecules move from the region of higher concentration into the region of low concentrations. Fourth one is, osmosis can be stopped or reversed, but diffusion cannot be stopped or reversed. Clear? Now Fourth colligative property is the osmotic pressure. What do you mean by osmotic pressure? The osmotic pressure may be defined as the minimum excess pressure which must be applied to a solution to prevent the passage of solvent into it through semi-permeable membrane is known as osmotic pressure. It is generally denoted by pi. Now, Van't Hoff observed the phenomena of osmotic pressure. It is denoted by pi. Pi is equal to CRT, where pi is the osmotic pressure, C is the concentrations, R is the gas constant, and T is the temperature. Clear? Pi is equal to CRT. Why osmotic pressure is known as colligative property? This is most important. Pi is directly proportional to the concentrations, that is the concentration of the solutions, that is also named as molarity. C is the concentration of the solution, also named as molarity. Number of moles of solute per liter of the given solutions. Since the osmotic pressure depends upon the molar concentration of the solution, it is called a colligative property. Now, determination of molar mass of the solute. From osmotic pressure. According to Van't Hoff equation, pi is equal to CRT, where C is the concentrations equal to number of moles per volume of the solutions. V is the volume in liter. Put the value of C, N upon V, RT. There N is the number of moles of the solute. Then pi is equal to WB upon MB into V RT, and the molecular mass is equal to WB RT upon pi V. This one is the expression for calculation of the molar mass. Now, the numerical based on osmotic pressure, we have to calculate the molar mass of the protein. Now, the numerical is 200 centimeter cube. An aqueous solution of proteins contains 1.26 gram of the protein. The osmotic pressure of such a solution at 300 Kelvin is found to be 2.57 into 10 raised to power minus 3 bar. Calculate the molar mass of the protein. R is the gas constant given. R is equal to 0.083 liter bar per mole. Now see the solution. I have already calculated the molar mass of the protein. According to the Van't-Hoff equation, pi is equal to CRT. Clear? Where C is the number of moles of solute per liter, molarity, N upon V into RT. N is the number of moles of solute, that is equal to weight of solute divided by molecular mass of the solute into V or WB into RT. This one is the expression for osmotic pressure, and we have to calculate the molar mass of the protein. MB is equal to WB RT upon pi V, where V is the volume. Now the given values from the numerical are: WB is the weight of solute 1.26 gram of protein. R is given 0.083 liter bar per Kelvin per mole. T is the temperature given 300 Kelvin. The osmotic pressure of the such solution at 300 Kelvin temperature given 2.57 into 10 raised to power minus 3 bar, and volume of the solution given in the centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml. 200 centimeter cube is equal to 200 ml. और यदि इसको लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो 1 लीटर में हाउ मैनी ml? 1000 ml. It means volume in liter 200 ml divided by this one 1000 is equal to 0.2 liters. Now put the values of in the formula. MB is equal to 1.26 gram, weight of solute, R 0.083, temperature 300 Kelvin temperature divided by pi osmotic pressure 2.57 into 10 raised to power minus 3 bar and the volume 0.2 liter. Now after calculation, the molar mass of the solute, molar mass of the protein is 61039 gram per mole. This is the last colligative property, osmotic pressure. Clear? Thank you.